What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Alpha Futures YouTube. Today we're going to be going over the trader stats from Q1 2025. So this is just meant to give you guys some insight for those of you that are taking some challenges, maybe need to make some adjustments, or just somebody that's curious to know how Alpha Futures traders are doing. So all the stats I say here today will be based on our evaluation accounts of all sizes, but we'll be looking at the stats of the evaluation traders only. So basically looking at those that have passed their evaluation and those that have failed. So let's jump into it. Very first one we'll do here today is going to be what asset or contract has actually been most profitable for the traders at Alpha Futures. Now, I was really happy to see this answer because if you're in the Discord, you have seen all the time I say, guys, if this is your first challenge or if you haven't been trading for long, trade micros, and our most profitable contract in Q1 of 2025 was MNQ. Now, leading into that, I'm sure you can guess which one was the least profitable. This was one the traders lost the most amount of money with, and that is NQ. So you can see same asset of the NASDAQ, but MNQ traders are far, far more profitable than the NQ traders. And that just shows you guys oversizing will kill your challenges, will kill your evaluations here at Alpha Futures or anywhere else, I promise. So use those micro, guys. We're showing right here in the stats. Micro NASDAQ was the most profitable contract in Q1 of 2025. Now, our average hold time for those that have passed their challenge and failed their challenge in Q1, for those that have passed, it's going to be 16.17 minutes. My guess actually going into this was somewhere around 14 minutes, so not too far off there. That's pretty standard in the future space, guys, is 14, 15 minutes is most traders' average hold time. My personally are a little bit longer, but those that have failed their challenge in Q1, their average hold time was 13.23 minutes. So not a massive difference there, but again, kind of feeds into the over trading idea, guys. Those that are letting their trading plan play out a little bit longer, letting those winners run a little bit longer, those are the people that are passing their evaluations. Those that are over trading, maybe giving up on trading plans or no trading plan altogether and are just trying to scalp, those are actually the people that are failing their challenges at a much higher rate. So something to look out for, guys, is set up your trading plan and maybe try to let those winners run a little bit longer. Hold those trades a little bit longer. That's what the stats are telling us here in Q1. Now, good one here. What is our average risk reward on challenges that have passed and challenges that have failed? I'll be honest, I wish this number was a little bit higher. I'm going to challenge all of you that are taking evaluations with us. I'd like to see that risk reward climb a little bit, but the average risk reward on those that passed in Q1 was 1.38. And guys, that's just average win versus average loss. So 1.38 is that ratio there. And then for those that have failed their evaluation, no surprise here, guys, it is less than 1, and it is 0.87. That's actually, that shows me I was expecting somewhere closer to 2 for passes and somewhere closer to 0.5 or 0.6 on the failed challenges. So I will say overall, failed challenges, of course, we do expect that to be less than 1. Not a huge dip off of 1, right? 0.87 is not as low as 0.4. So those of you out there that are failing challenges, hey, it happens, but definitely try to get that risk reward up because this is obviously telling us a higher risk reward gives you a much better chance of passing your evaluation. But I will say those of you passing your evals, I'd like to see that risk reward climb even a little bit more. I bet you that number is even higher on qualified accounts that have reached payout though. But good stat there, guys. A higher risk reward does directly correlate to whether you passed your challenge or not. But let's talk about our average payout amount per challenge size, right? So if somebody took a 50K account as their account size and evaluation, obviously get that in qualified, 100K, 150K, right? So overall here, our average payout on our 50K accounts, $2,475 and $18 is what we have for our 50Ks. Our 100Ks, we're going to see that increase a little bit. Obviously, that's going to be up to $4,839.52. And then our 150Ks, our largest account size, is actually going to be over $5,000. So that, guys, was $5,112.87. So again, guys, in the space, we have seen payout caps from $1,200 to $5,000. You can see our average payout on our 150K accounts here is higher than that max withdrawal you'll see at other places in the space. So congrats to anybody that was paid out in Q1 2025. I'm looking forward to seeing how these numbers continue to climb or if, they stay kind of stable. But overall, guys, well done to anybody that passed their challenge in Q1. Well done to anybody that has passed their evaluation in Q1 2025. And well done, obviously, to anybody that received a payout from us in Q1 2025. Make sure you guys Hit the thumbs up on this video if you like them. I'll gladly do more. Just give us that feedback. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next video.